guys, welcome back to my channel and to another What's 8 in a Day video. I'm sorry it's taken me a couple of weeks to get my next one up, but honestly I've been so busy with work and other things that I just haven't managed to pick up the camera. I have however been uploading shorts, and these are basically like what I eat in a day at the office, what I eat in a day at home, just really quick snippets under a minute or just over, and they kind of give you a flavour of what I'm eating on the regular. So if you're not watching my shorts, make sure you do go and show them some love and perhaps leave a comment, let me know. They're kind of like a vloggy style, so out and about with me, and it just gives a bit of a real representation instead of just these sort of very regimented planned videos. Anyway, the weather has been amazing in the UK over the past week. We have had some of the hottest weather that I feel like I've experienced in many years. I think since the lockdown heat wave that we had, and it's just, I have been living for it. I have been absolutely loving it. Outfit wise today, I'm in my little top from Miss Selfridge, which I love. It's just like a little basic cami. I have it on with my Topshop shorts. I have my beach necklace on. This comes out every time the sun hits and I love it. I got it from a little beach hut in Spain on my last holiday, and I have my little shell bracelet on my anklet as well, on my anklets, whatever you call them, my little shell one, my ultra human ring and my Apple Watch, and no makeup. Makeup is not going on today. It is way too hot for that, and I am going to tie my hair up in a moment because it's just way too hot to have it down. But it is quite late today. We had a barbecue last night and we spent a lot of time in the garden, plus we went for like a 2-hour walk, Andy and I, and we were knackered, and if I'm honest, we went to bed late and we also slept in. So I got up about an hour ago, so 11:15. It's now 11:45. And I still haven't managed to eat because I've been getting ready and getting washed and all that kind of thing. So I have some watermelon left from yesterday that I'm just going to munch on for my breakfast. And then I'm not sure about lunch. I'm going to go and have a look in the kitchen, see what we've got. And dinner tonight, again, I'm not 100% sure. I feel like the weather, I really struggle to kind of get inspired, just because my appetite is just so much less. I have lost a bit of weight over this kind of weather as well, but I have been being cautious. I've not been having as many sweet treats, so I feel like that's kind of why. It's not really the weather, it's more I've been a little bit more conscious. And so yeah, I hope you all enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, and your guess is as good as mine as to what culinary delights we're going to have today, but let's see. I've decided that it's way too hot to have tea or coffee in the normal sense, so I've just whipped up some frothy coffee, the Dalgona recipe that was really popular during lockdown, and I'm gonna have one of those. I'm gonna go sit in the garden. I'm also gonna add a tiny bit of salted caramel. I could track this on the app, but honestly it would discourage me from having it, so I'm not going to. But feel free to get your app checker out and just see how you feel with it. I'm literally just going to put like half a flat teaspoon in there. And normally I would melt it and kind of decorate it around the glass, but honestly I just want to get outside. So we had a barbecue yesterday and I've got loads of picky bits left over, so I think instead of being really regimented with my lunch, I'm going to just have a few picky bits with some salad. So I have some honey mustard sausages here. These are just like little cocktail sausages that have been marinated, and they're just a bit more interesting than your regular cocktail sausage. So I'm going to have a couple of those. I'm going to cut some salad. I've got some lettuce, I've got some cucumber, I've got some tomatoes and that kind of thing, some onion. And I'm also going to have one of these Barber cheddar and caramelized onion rolls, and these are 152 calories each, which is a little bit hefty, but they're delicious. I had one last night and they were mega. So I think these, along with a couple of these and then some salad, is more than enough for me for lunch. Like, that's honestly perfect. So yeah, a bit of a picky lunch today, and I think we've decided for dinner tonight we're going to have a curry, so it's a bit more substantial. A bit of like mayo in here as well, and this is probably a 2 serving of salad for me. I probably won't have the whole thing. I might even have some later with my tea actually. And normally I would put like tomatoes in here and carrot, maybe a bit of apple, sometimes even put watermelon. Like a watermelon and cucumber salad is really good, but I just want to get outside in the sun and eat, so it's a bit of a basic one for me today. Been about 5 or 6 hours since I last checked in, had my lunch, and then this afternoon I haven't had an afternoon snack, purely because it's so warm and I'm so hot and bothered that I don't get hungry, so I haven't bothered. But what it has meant is that I'm now very hungry and it's time for dinner. Because we spent literally 5-6 hours in the garden, I don't have a ton of time. What I did do yesterday was roast the chicken, which I have the rest of here. This is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to shred to make our curry. I'm just going to do a basic curry. In fact, because time's got away with me, I might even see if we have a Lloyd Grossman chicken tikka. I think we have an emergency jar in the cupboard. So I'm just going to chop up some potatoes, some onion, parsley, garlic, maybe some mushrooms if I have some in the fridge, which I think I do. And then I'm just going to fry them all off with the chicken, put the jar in with some stock from this chicken tray, and I'm going to call it a day. We're likely to have it with a bit of rice, maybe a bit of pita, but I haven't had much in the way of calories today, so I feel like, you know, maybe tonight I'll have a bit of a sweet treat to kind of remedy that, because, you know, sorry, I get distracted. So yeah, that's the plan. I'm going to start shopping, and yeah, very lazy one today, but necessary. You have to take advantage with the weather's like this in the UK. It just does not happen. And it's still boiling, the sun has gone, and it was still out at this point yesterday, and I believe we are expecting some showers tomorrow, so I do want to take full advantage, or I did want to take full advantage. Dinner was delicious, and we've just watched Wimbledon, the final. I'm so disappointed that Alcaraz didn't win, but it was a really good match and the other guy did deserve it. But anyway, I'm going to wind up now with a cup of tea, which is crazy because it's still really warm, but I just feel like I want a cup of tea, and I am going to have a sweet treat, and it's in the form of these little salted caramel tea cakes from Marks and Spencer's. These are 137 calories each, and basically it's like a soft salted caramel mallow, so like a marshmallow, with like a chocolatey biscuit base, and it's kind of covered in milk chocolate. And I love the packaging of these as well, they just look really sunshiny. So yeah, I'm gonna have one of those, my cup of tea, and then I will most likely just end the day there. And yeah, so I hope you've all enjoyed it. And yeah, I hope you've all enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!